Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's look at another question from the DP-700 exam. This one is a case study question focused on Apache Spark configuration in Microsoft Fabric. So first, don't panic. Case studies always look long, but the trick is simple. You filter the noise. Let me quickly summarize what actually matters. Litware is a global publishing company. They use Microsoft Fabric. High concurrency is enabled in their workspace. Their data engineering team uses Python and Spark notebooks. They follow a bronze, silver, gold medallion architecture. Sales data lands as Parquet files in a lakehouse. It's transformed into Delta tables for bronze and silver. And finally, served from a warehouse in the gold layer. They're also doing a lot of other things. SEO data in near real time. Book reviews from Amazon S3 without copying data. Image processing triggered on file arrival. Now here's the real problem. During peak sales, ingestion slows down, and Spark workloads start interfering with each other. So what's the actual requirement? This is the key line. You must ensure that bronze and silver Spark processes run in isolation. That's it? This question is not about ingestion tools. Not about shortcuts, not about streaming logic. This is purely a Spark resource isolation problem. Now let's evaluate the options. Option A, disable high concurrency. High concurrency is a workspace-level setting. Disabling it reduces parallelism, but it does not guarantee that bronze and silver jobs won't compete for the same resources. So this does not solve the isolation requirement. Option C, modify the number of executors. Executor tuning is manual. It's job-specific, and it does not stop other Spark workloads from competing for resources. So this also fails the requirement. Option D, set the default environment. The default environment applies globally. It does not separate workloads by bronze or silver layer. So this option does not help either. Now look at option B, create a custom pool. This is the key. Custom Spark pools allow you to assign dedicated resources to specific workloads. You can run bronze jobs in one Spark pool and silver jobs in a separate Spark pool. This guarantees true resource isolation, predictable performance, and no interference during peak load. This is exactly what the requirement asks for. So the correct answer is option B, create a custom pool. Before we finish, here's a very important DP-700 exam rule. If a case study mentions Spark notebooks, multiple medallion layers, performance issues or resource contention, and a requirement for isolation, your answer should almost always be custom Spark pools. That's it for this DP-700 case study. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment next for the next case study question. See you in the next one.